welcome to the channel, the discussion of the core issue. Welcome to the Kashmir Talk special and welcome to the Core Issue International. And today I am going to explain about the most sacred, important and beautiful poem of Allama Iqbal, in which Allama Iqbal is criticizing the different system of the government in the world, either socialism, communism and any ism. And then Allama Iqbal is then preferring the Islamization on all the system of the government in the world. So Allama Iqbal is explaining that the devil has the fear about the propagation of the Islam, and devil is saying that when the Islam will propagate, then definitely it will be the end of my wish fulfillment. So Allama Iqbal is actually conducting the hypothetical debate between the devil and his 5 ambassadors, and all the ambassadors are giving their point of view step by step, and then they are appreciating the system of the devil and the present system of communism, socialism and fascism and everything, and then they are saying that they have the fear about the propagation of the Islam. So the poem started with the अनासिर का पुराना खेल ये दुनियाए दोम, साकिनान अर्श आज़म की तमन्नाओं का खून. So here the Allama Iqbal is saying that this world is actually the old game of the element, and it is the slaughter of the wish of the Adam and Eves. And today he, the creator, is willing upon the destruction of this world, who gave this world the name of the Kun Fayakun, the world of be and so. And then Allama Iqbal is explaining about the veil of the imperialism in all over the world. So Allama Iqbal is explaining that the devil is saying that I have inspired the European with the dream of the imperialism, and I have broke the spells of mosques, the spells of temples and the spells of church, and at the same time I have gave the lesson of the destiny to the destitute. मैंने गरीबों को दिया, नादारों को दिया सबक तकदीर का. I have gave the lesson of destiny to the destitutes, and I have gave the greedy and I have gave the wealthy the dream of the capitalism. And then proudly the devil is saying that no one can extinguish the glaring fire in him who is tumultuous or stimulated by the devil kings. And in this process the first ambassador stood up and he appreciated the Iblis and devil, that my lord, this is no doubt that this system is very stable system. The system you have spread it is very stable system, because it has protected the people in slavery too. So here there is sarcastic language, because first ambassador is using the sarcastic language about the communism, because communism protected the people in the slavery against the capitalism, but communism itself is a system of exploiting the poor and exploiting the farmers. So that's why the most fervently and most proudly the first ambassador is appreciating the Iblis or the devil. And then they are saying that the prostration has fated in the destiny of these poor peoples, and the prayer devotes of standings are fated in the destiny of these devils. And then most proudly the first ambassador appreciated the Iblis and said that ये हमारी सईयो पहम की करामत है कि आज सूफी और मुल्ला मलोकियत के बंदे हैं तमाम. So here the first ambassador is actually appreciating that it is a result of our endowed blessing that today all the mystic and all the mullahs are the people of the imperialism. So when we say that, we are saying that we Islamic peoples have our mystic Sufis, but they all are following the same system of banking, same system of the capitalism, same system of communism. It's mean that they are under the slavery of the imperialism. And that's why the devil is appreciating that now the ilme kalam is nothing but more than a kawali. And here the fifth